In this video, I will show you how to change TikTok username without waiting 30 days. When you get into a fiction like this one, what you need to do simply to get into that file selection, you need to go on your profile selection on your account right here. Then simply if you go edit profile on the first tab selection, as you can see your username, it is on your second selection. Tap on username. And from now on, you can simply try to change your username. For example, I will add a number on it. And right here, it will take you some time to get a verifying system which will say, yes, this username is available, and then go save on your right upper side. Now, as you can see right here, you have a description which says you can change your username once every 30 days. Now, guys, you need to know this, and I'm mentioning that it needs to take 30 days. You cannot change your username without waiting 30 days until you get right now set username. For example, I'm gonna go set username, and from now on, if I go to take another username, as you can see, it doesn't allow me to change the username right now. It says that I can change it on 24th August.